Hi students, this video is on chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction Part 3. In this video, now let us discuss the representation of images formed by spherical mirrors. There are four rules which are to be followed for image formation in case of concave and convex mirrors. The first rule is the ray coming parallel to the principal axis. The ray coming parallel to the principal axis pass through the focus after reflection. Pass through the focus after the reflection in case of concave mirror, or appear to come from the focus in case of convex mirror. Appears to come from the focus in case of convex mirror. So this is the first rule. Now let us see the next rule. The rays coming through the focus of a concave mirror. The rays coming through the focus of a concave mirror or coming towards the focus of a convex mirror. Coming towards the focus of the convex mirror become parallel to the principal axis. Become parallel to the principal axis after reflection from the mirror. So this is the second rule. And now the third rule is a ray coming through the center of curvature of a concave mirror. A ray coming through the center of curvature of a concave mirror or towards the direction of center of curvature or towards the direction of center of curvature of convex mirror reflects back along the same direction. Reflects back along the same direction in case of both concave mirror and convex mirror. Now the last and fourth rule is a ray incident obliquely at point P. A ray incident obliquely to the principal axis at point P in case of concave or convex mirror reflected obliquely, and in case of both concave and convex mirror it follow the first law of reflection, that is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. By knowing all these four rules, now let us discuss the formation of image by concave mirror for different positions of the object. So this table, now let us study this table, and we study the formation of image by a concave mirror for different positions of the object. Now in the first case, the object, that is the position of the object, is at infinity and the position of the image is at the focus. The image is formed at the principal focus when the object is at the infinity. And what is the nature of the image and size of the image in the first case when the object is at infinity? So nature of the image is real, inverted and extremely diminished in the size. So size of the image is diminished. It is a point like image. Next, second, B. So when here the position of the object is beyond the center of curvature but at a finite distance from the mirror. It is at a finite distance from the mirror but beyond the center of the curvature. Now in the second case, the position of the image is it is between the focus and the center of curvature. It is between the center of curvature and principal focus. And in the second case, the nature and size of the image. The nature of the image is real and inverted and it is diminished. It is the size of the image is less than the object size. Now in the third case, when the object is at the center of curvature and the position of the image is also at the center of curvature, and the nature and size of the image, it is real, inverted and size of the image is same as that of the object when the object is placed at the center of curvature. Now next one, when the object is placed between the focus and the center of curvature, that is position of the object is between the focus and the center of curvature, the position of the image is formed beyond the center of the curvature. The image is formed beyond the center of the curvature, and the nature of the image is real, inverted, and magnified. What is meant by magnified? The size of the image is more than the size of the object. In the next case, when the object is placed at the focus, when the object is placed at the principal focus of the concave mirror, and the image is formed at infinity. The position of the image is infinity, and the nature of the image is real, inverted, and extremely magnified. It is extremely magnified. Now, in the last case, when the object is placed between the pole and the focus, between the pole and the focus, that is, object is between the pole and the focus. Now the image is formed behind the mirror. The image is formed here, it is behind the mirror. And the nature and size of the image, the nature of the image is virtual. Virtual means it is erect, and it is magnified. Magnified means what? It is the size of the image is increased than the object. So this is about the image formation by the concave mirror. So all cases we have discussed what? The position of the object and position of the image, and what is the nature and size of the image. And you can refer this table from your textbook. And now the image formation by a convex mirror. For studying the image formed by a convex mirror, there are two positions of the object which are to be considered. Firstly, when the object is at infinity, and the second one is when the object is at a finite distance from the mirror. Now this table gives what? The position of the object and the size of the image and nature of the image. Now let us discuss the image formation with a ray diagram. So first one, when the object is at infinity, when the object is at infinity, the position of the image is at the principal focus behind the mirror. So this is the image which is at the principal focus, and it is behind the convex mirror. And now what is the nature of the and size of the image in the first case? That is when the object is at infinity. It is virtual, erect, and extremely diminished. Extremely diminished means what? It is a point sized image, and the image size is very small. It is point sized, and nature is virtual and erect. And the second case, uh, when the object is, that is, the position of the object is between infinity and the pole. The position of the object is between infinity and the pole at a finite distance from the, infinity means at a finite distance from the mirror. So here the nature of the image and the position of the image is between the pole and the principal focus, between the pole and the principal focus, and it is image is formed behind the mirror. And nature and size of the image, nature of the image is virtual, erect, and it is diminished. The size of the image is very small, that is called as diminished. So this is about the what? The image formation by the convex mirror. Only two cases are considered here for the position of the object.